let's talk about bringing animations into CueCam Presenter. CueCam is a great presentation tool for your webcam. It lets you use a teleprompter and you can share just about anything without resorting to a screen share in Zoom. But it's not an animation tool. Now Keynote, while it doesn't work so well on your webcam, is a great free animation tool. Here's how to get the best out of both worlds. So let's start with a blank document in Keynote and add the chart that we want to animate. So I'm just going to put that in the middle, and obviously this is just default styling. You probably want to make it look a bit nicer than this. So now we can right click the chart and show the data editor if we want to change what that data is, but I'm just going to leave it as it is, nice and mysterious. So now with the pie chart selected, go up to the animate in the top right, and we're going to click add an effect here. And I'm going to go down and choose pop, which is going to pop in those segments one at a time. You can click preview if you're not sure how they're going to look. I think this is a good one for a pie chart. And now down here where it says delivery, we're going to change that from all at once to by wedge. And if we click preview, we can see how that looks. So there's that animation. So now we're going to go and export this. We're going to go up to the File menu and export this as a movie. So the File menu is here, so it's down under Export to Movie, and that brings up this. And what we're going to do is change these settings. So go to the next slide after and go to the next build after. We're going to change both of those to 0. So that there's no gaps, because it's kind of annoying when there's long gaps. And then we're going to go and click Save, and once we've done that, we're going to give it a good file name. So I'm going to just call this pie chart, very creative. And we're just going to save that, it's going to export it, and that's going to be on my desktop now. And here's what that looks like in QuickTime. We just press play in that video, and it plays it through. So the next thing to do is create a new script in CueCam. So here's a new script. I use the File menu, New, and we're just going to bring the video in. So the way I'm actually going to bring this video in is in any document window, you can actually drag the little icon. You have to like hold on for a second. You can drag that and just bring it in, but there's loads of other ways to bring it in. This is just the most convenient way for me today. So we just drag that in, and then it's just going to convert that and import the video, optimize the video. So let's make the CueCam window a bit bigger now, and we can play the video back in CueCam. Just hover over the video, and that's going to be a normal video thing. But I want to talk about each pie slice one at a time and read about it from my teleprompter. So if we have a look, the first segment here, it says 35%. So I'm going to go up to my card, and everything I put in here is what's going to show up in my teleprompter. So the next thing is that what we're going to do is we're going to split this video now across multiple cards, and this all relies on this incredibly important thing here, which is the split control. So what we need to do is find the point that we split, and then we can split it across the two cards. But first we need to find the perfect position. So we'll grab the playhead and just like find that exact point just before the second pop has started. And so once we've got the exact right spot, we can hit split. And now we've got two cards. So you see here, this has been split from this point, and the previous card is this area of the video. It's the same video file. It's not creating multiple videos or anything. The file size isn't going to change. So I want something in my teleprompter for the second card, second slice. I'm just going to find out how big that is. That's 29%. And once we've done that, we'll just hit cancel on the trimmer and do the same thing on the second card. And then we'll just keep doing that. We'll do that for every single card. And so I'm just splitting this across all the different segments. So once that's done, we can go back up to the first card and press present. So now we've split it across, we've put all of our teleprompter notes in down here, and we're going to use this present button to show this, and we might record it. It might be part of a Zoom call, it might be part of a live stream, but now we're ready, ready for anything. We've put the script together. So hit present, and that puts CueCam into presentation mode, and that plays the first segment. So your speaker notes will show up here, but usually you're going to put that on your teleprompter, either as an extra screen on your Mac or using Shoot Pro on your webcam, or you might have like a thing like this, an Ivy that you can do it on. But we just advance to the next card by clicking anywhere or using the right arrow key or pressing a button on the Stream Deck, and that's going to play the second segment, and it's going to update the teleprompter as well. And so with each new slice, we can see what we have to say about it as that teleprompter changes. And, you know, we've brought that animation perfectly into CueCam. So that's how you can make an animation in Keynote and use it in a CueCam presentation.